Guys, I'm about to name my Frontier Justice, my Australian Frontier Justice. Alright, let me see. Alright, I don't really have a name. I'll cut right back to it when I do have a name. Engineer's Justice, Make Bringer. And then I'm going to change the description. I already know what the description is. Revenge is a crit. Best served gold. ... For dramatic effect. Oh, no. Yeah, just one period. And bada boom. Bada bang. There you go. Revengeneer's Justice Bringer. Revenge is a crit. Best served gold. Oh my gosh, I think I just splurged my pants. Well, guys, that's it really. Bye, I guess.